Hey there, I'm Sam, and today I wanted to show you this Torjim 27-inch by 27-inch light box. Like I said, this one is the 27-inch by 27-inch square. Here is the inside of the Softbox. We've got this LED light here, and whenever you're installing it, this does just kind of pop open. Makes it so easy to be able to set up. It comes with a light bulb detached, so you will have to put that in yourself as well. Again, very easy process. It comes with great instructions. And then for the Softbox light cover, it just kind of goes on right like this. And there are little tabs here that will just wrap around so that can go on easily. And then on the sides here, there are like Velcro so that it's not going to go anywhere. I move this around all the time and this definitely stays on. It comes with a carrying case as well. I keep this with me at all times. But it is adjustable. So they do have little knobs on the bottom here to be able to move this up and down. The height, I think the max is 74.5 inches that it can go tall. The head right here is also adjustable. So it can rotate like this and all the way up to here. So it does have a large range of motion so that you can adjust your lighting. It does have a controlling on and off switch here. So we'll just flip it down to turn it on. So this is right in my face, but you can see how much better the light quality already is with having that facing towards me. And this does come with a convenient controller as well. You can also adjust the warmth. So you can make this warmer. This is as warm as it'll go right now. And then you can make it colder. So it has like that brighter blue tint to it. This also does have preset modes you can use as well. So you don't have to adjust it if you don't want to, but so it just has the different modes. And then it also just has the on-off switch. So you don't have to worry about that control on the cord there. You can just turn it on and then turn it off. And again, you can already see how much more light it does let onto you. If you needed an illuminating light as well to fill your space for things like videos, photography, everything like that, then I would definitely recommend grabbing this Torjim.